Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Tiranga Sign. How to make Tiranga Sign mocktail? First of all, you have to take any type of tall glass. You have to take. After that, you have to add like 30 ml of vanilla syrup. Yes. Then you have to add like some ice cube. Yes. Simply you have to add some ice cube. Then you have to take a shaker glass and you have to add some ice cube. You can add some more ice cube. After that, you have to add 10 ml of lime cordial. Then you have to add 120 ml of lychee juice. After that, you have to add some kaju crush. That's it. Then simply you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Take a little more time for this. Then slowly you have to pour the drinks. Just for the drinks. That's it. After that, you have to fill the glass with Fanta. See how the three-layer mocktail is ready. See here, Tiranga sign mocktail is ready. This is the like three ways doctor for this 15 August 2026. This is the like Tiranga sign mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail and please share this mocktail and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and happy Independence Day for all of my followers and thank you.